Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone won't shut off mid-step. Charge to at least 20% or keep the charger connected. Next, identify how your model handles power. Most use the power key alone, some use power plus volume. Once ready, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Do not long press to force restart. Make sure you've saved any unsaved work and noted recently installed apps, because those are often linked to safe mode triggers. You should select Restart from the power menu. That alone often exits safe mode because Android reloads normal services and apps. If Restart isn't listed, choose Power Off, wait 5 seconds, then power on normally. For stubborn cases, hold the power button about 10 seconds to force a reboot. Make sure to release when the brand logo appears. Once the phone finishes booting, look for the Safe Mode label at the corner. If it's gone, you've successfully returned to normal mode. If a simple restart fails, check the notifications shade for a safe mode alert. Tapping it often offers restart. Once done, if safe mode returns, you should uninstall apps installed right before the issue or clear system cache and recovery to remove problematic data. Make sure to back up photos and contacts before attempting a factory reset. Use reset only as a last resort because it erases personal data. If problems continue, visit a service center for
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.